In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle to balance their busy schedules with getting enough rest. With work, school, social commitments, and other responsibilities, it can be tempting to sacrifice sleep in of getting more done. However, recent research suggests that sleeping less may actually be more beneficial than sleeping for long hours. In this YouTube video script, we will explore the reasons why sleeping less can be more useful than sleeping for long periods of time. We will discuss the negative effects of too much sleep and the benefits of getting just the right amount of rest each night. By the end of this video, viewers will have a better understanding of the importance of quality sleep and how it can impact their overall health and well-being. Hello, and welcome to our YouTube video on why sleeping less is more useful than sleeping for long hours. In today's society, many of us prioritize productivity and efficiency over getting enough rest. However, research shows that sleeping less may actually have its benefits and how it can impact our daily lives. Negative effects of too much sleep. Let's start by discussing the negative effects of sleeping for long hours. While it may seem like a luxury to sleep in on weekends or take long naps during the day, too much sleep can actually have detrimental effects on our health. Studies have shown that oversleeping can lead to an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even premature death. Additionally, too much sleep can leave us feeling groggy and lethargic, making it harder to focus and be productive throughout the day. Benefits of sleeping less. On the other hand, sleeping less may have its benefits. Research suggests that getting just the right amount of rest each night can improve our cognitive function, boost our mood, and enhance our overall well-being. When we sleep less, our bodies are forced to enter into a state of deep sleep more quickly, which can lead to more restorative rest. Additionally, sleeping less may also help improve our focus and concentration, allowing us to be more productive and efficient in our daily tasks. Tips for quality sleep. While sleeping less may have its benefits, it is important to ensure that we are still getting enough quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help signal to your body that it is time to wind down. Make your bedroom a comfortable and calming environment for sleep. Limit screen time before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can disrupt your sleep. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime conclusion. While it may seem counterintuitive, sleeping less may actually be more useful than sleeping for long hours. By getting just the right amount of rest each night, we can improve our cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being. It is important to prioritize quality sleep and establish healthy sleep habits to ensure that we are getting the rest we need to thrive in our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Good night and sweet dreams.